In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete LinkedIn profile photo. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. This is a quick, reliable way to reach the correct page, especially if you don't have LinkedIn bookmarked. In the search bar, type LinkedIn and press enter. Look for the official result that uses the linkedin.com domain and click it to go straight to the site. Once LinkedIn loads, you'll typically land on your feed. On the left-hand sidebar, you should see a small panel with your profile details. It usually shows your profile photo, your name, and your headline. Click that panel to open your profile. Using this sidebar link is the fastest route to your public-facing profile page. On your profile page, move your cursor over your profile photo and click it. This opens the photo view or editor, where LinkedIn groups all the options related to your picture. You might see controls to change or adjust the image, and importantly, the option to remove it. Choose the option labeled Delete. LinkedIn will protect you from accidental changes by asking you to confirm. Read the prompt so you're sure you're removing the correct image. When you're ready, click Delete again to confirm. That's it. The photo will be removed from your profile. After confirming, the change is usually immediate. Your profile picture will switch to a default placeholder or an initial-based avatar across your profile. If the old image still appears, give the page a quick refresh. In some cases, cached views in other tabs or apps may take a little longer to update, but LinkedIn itself should reflect the change right away. A few helpful notes as you wrap up. Deleting your photo doesn't affect any of your profile content, job history, or settings. It only removes the image. If you change your mind later, you can add a new photo from the same spot by clicking the photo area on your profile. Keep in mind that a clear, professional photo can make your profile more discoverable, so consider saving a backup image before you delete, just in case you want to restore a similar look later. To recap, you went to Google, searched for LinkedIn, opened the official site, clicked your profile from the left sidebar, selected your profile photo, chose Delete, and confirmed the deletion. Follow these steps, and your LinkedIn profile photo will be removed cleanly and confidently.